Hello guys, so Walmart bag. You know what that means? I got a camera. As you can see, it says Kodak. Yeah, not like the singer, but okay. Um, 25 zoom, 24 wide angle, 68 megapixels, 30-inch LED, Optimus, image stabilizer. Continuous shots, yes. I will be taking a lot of pictures. HD video, awesome. High dynamic range, right there. Boom. See that? Yeah. So, oh well, it was right here, but I had to show it right there. Anyways, it says please don't return to the store. So let's get to opening. There's a lot of stuff on this back. Service card. Okay. Let's get to the opening. Of course, everything comes with a manual. Don't really need that though. Warranty card. Yeah, I'll leave that later. Off camera. Okay. This is what it looks like inside. There we go. Oh. Yeah, that has all the stuff that I just read to you guys right here. Let's show you the front. There we go. The back. And the top. Looks like that. And the bottom just looks like that. Yeah. See the camera. This is bad lighting. I'm going to be so used to this now. This is to hold it so I don't have to keep holding it up. This camera's not that heavy, but I can just hold it on my wrist. There we go. Oh wow, they gave you batteries so you don't have to buy your own. That's wonderful. This is the port to charge it. Oh, they gave you another battery. Wow, these people are really prepared. And this is to close your lens. And I have no idea what this is for, so yeah.
Make sure you're not elastic.
And yeah, the box is empty. Let's get to turn. Ooh, pretty light. Let's get to turning it on.
Pick up here for you. When you have some things, you get it, and when you do things, you're not do the right thing.
I can't take this part off. It's stuck. What the heck? Why did you guys do this? This is just stupid. Waste all my time just to take this thing. Ow. Off. Thank you. Jeez. Okay. Wait, I got what do I have to do first? Unlock. Open. Open. Yeah, you see this part here? This is where I could connect all of this to my computer and then my and then put it on YouTube. Yeah.
Yeah, asante.
Oh, finally, it's coming out. Oh, they gave me 4 batteries because you need 4 batteries, as you can see. And yes, I don't feel like getting scissors because our teeth is the strongest bone in our body, so better than using a scissors. How do you do this? It goes. This is completely confusing. So up, down, down. On which sides? You see this? It says it right here, but you can't even like tell where they go. That is so confusing. I guess up, up, down, down. Yeah, sure. Whatever. Get off my hand. I think this is gonna be like a 10-minute long video. Unboxing. I need an SD card. Let's see. Go in. There we go. And on. Wait. Oh, that was dope. Okay. As you can see, it comes on with the languages and makes this light bling and makes a real weird sound. I will pick English because I speak English, obviously. The time. Okay, let's see. It just goes to the time next, as you can see. Uh, 2000 and... Nope. 17. There we go. Oh, Jesus. I gotta go back to the time because that was completely wrong. How do you go back to settings? Settings. This has no settings, but I can see myself through my camera. Wow. I got 2 emails. Settings. Yeah, whatever. How do I... No, I don't need a timer. No pictures. Okay, whatever. Stop it. I don't care about the... Alright, that was just weird. Let's delete that, because I do not need that. This keeps moving, I guess. I can record myself like this. This is how you get the best shots, you know. I'm gonna be doing a lot of stuff on this, as you can see already.
What do you say? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
And you can see this, my annoying cousin. I mean,
Cousin too.
what? No, you cannot do it too.
Why not?
Because.
This is only for girls. This is only for Sunday.
Yeah, it's only for me.
What should I do?
Has a lot of M.
Sunday.
Yeah, I
that
think.
camera?
Let's see what's
Is that
up
camera?
here.
That
Landscape.
camera?
Custom setting. Yes, custom setting. I need that right now. How do you click custom setting?
How do you do that?
He just fell. I just zoomed it. Oh my god, I love this camera already. Look at this. I zoomed it like all the way to my face. Yeah.
Jeez. Messy.
Zoom out. Zoom. Like. That is so weird. And look how big the lens just got. I love this already.
Funny. How
Like
do
the
you
best
do
camera
that
you can get
big
right now.
one? How do you do that big
Put
one?
it in like that. Alright. So I got the zoom down. This is continuous shots. I am not about to do that. Movie mode. Ooh.
Ooh, that's cool.
Screen mode. Oh wow. Screen mode went into that.
Wow, a screamer.
You can't see it because it's so bright.
But what's a screamer? But what's a screamer?
Sports, beach, sunset. Oh, I can bet, like, if I go places, just take like a bunch of pictures. Yeah, that would be cool. Fireworks, lights,
Fireworks?
landscape, sketches, ooh,
Precious?
snow,
No.
children,
Children?
ID. I could make myself an ID. Ooh. Glass,
Glass?
photo frame,
What?
landing shots,
Let's start.
portraits,
Fish.
fish eye. There's a thing called fish eye. Wow.
Fish.
Party, indoor, like, it makes the things better. Leaf.
I like leaf.
Leaf. Museum, night portraits, dog
Dog.
slash pet mode.
Dog.
There's a dog slash pet mode.
I like this way.
And there's a mode for cats.
Mama's cat.
Okay.
Chili has Mama's
That's
cat.
weird.
That's weird.
That's the thing that goes like this, and then it makes it like really long. Yeah, I'm not about to do that.
How do
Thanks.
you don't want
Beautiful. Manual mode.
that? How do you-
Shatter. Program. Auto mode. And then landscape again. Okay, I got the top down. There we go. So, I think this camera's gonna be useful in the future. So, wait. Let me put this down. Oh, manga. So, we got the camera. Right there. We got this thing to put on your hand. We got the charger.
You don't charger?
It just fell, but yeah, we have the charger.
Oh,
And then we have this thing. I still don't know what to do with this.
Introduce.
So, yeah. There we go. That's all for this video. I'm reading these off camera because that's way too much. Oh, I should close my lens, by the way. This so it doesn't get foggy and stuff. Like, nobody wants that, obviously. So I'm going to turn it off. As you can see, it's off. And then just put on your lens.
I can see anything, mister.
And there, boom, you have your camera. So, that's all for words. That's all for today, guys.
All
See
for
you,
today's guys.
whatever. This annoying kid. Say hi.
Hi.
Say bye.
Bye.
Alright. Bye, guys. Peace.